Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the identification of acidic and basic radical in the unknown soil. As we have already discussed in the last videos, the test for ammonium as well as for the Pb2 plus ion. So we were done with zero group and group number 1, which is for Pb2 plus. So today the salt which is provided to us is, it has a very distinct color. एक बहुत particular color है इस salt का. If you can see, it's greenish in color. Okay, this green color is basically related to, we all know, which is Fe2 plus ion. Fe2 plus ion. ऐसा indication से हम लोग के पास थोड़ा सा idea मिल जाता है कि salt कौन सा हो सकता है. So हम लोग step by step चलेंगे आज फिर भी. So let's start with the salt. We'll take a pinch of salt, and the first step for zero group is to add NaOH. We will add NaOH solution to it. When you will add NaOH to it, and on heating, we have to heat the solution. When you will heat it, just observe the fumes. Are the fumes coming out? No. Yes, there are fumes. Fumes are coming out. बहुत हल्के हल्के fumes वहाँ से आ रहे हैं. And you can smell the salt. You can smell the fumes very lightly. Okay, it is not giving any characteristic smell of ammonia, which means NH4 plus chances are very less. But to confirm, what you are going to do is, you are going to add few drops of Nessler's reagent to it. Few drops of Nessler's reagent. You will take Nessler's reagent. You will put it drop by drop, and there's no brown PPT octane. There's no brown PPT octane, which means group 0 is absent. Group 0 is absent. So we'll proceed to group 1. We'll take salt again. दोबारा से salt लेंगे. Group 0 absent हो गया, तो हम लोग अब आगे जाएंगे कहाँ? Group 1 पर. We'll take salt again. We'll dissolve it in a small amount of water. And then you will add dilute HCl drop by drop. You will add dilute HCl drop by drop. On addition of dilute HCl, as you can see, the solution is still colorless. There is no PPT octane, which indicates that group 1 is absent. अगर यहाँ पर group 1 होता, तो जैसे कि हमने पहले भी वीडियोस में देखा है, तो यहाँ पर आता क्या? white PPT. क्या आता? white PPT. लेकिन यहाँ पर कोई भी PPT नहीं है. इसका मतलब group 1 is absent. So what you will do is, you can pass H2S gas, which we will be taking out from the Kips apparatus. You can pass the H2S gas in the solution. Okay, be very careful when you are passing the H2S gas from the Kips apparatus. Yes, and you can see you can just pass it for a very small time. ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं करते इसको. H2S is poisonous. Okay. Yes. You can see that there is no black PPT or any other color PPT, which indicates that group 2 is also absent. अगर black PPT आ जाता तो copper के chances होते, लेकिन कोई भी PPT नहीं आया है. तो हम क्या करेंगे अब? We are done with group 0. नहीं है. Group 1 नहीं है. Group 2 नहीं है. So we are going to group number 3. जिसके सबसे ज्यादा चांसेस थे हमारे पास में, क्योंकि सॉल्ट क्या था, Fe2 प्लस, Fe2 प्लस बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रीन कलर। बट Fe2 प्लस का टेस्ट हम नहीं करते हैं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इस Fe2 प्लस आयन को पहले ऑक्सीडाइज करते हैं। कैसे ऑक्सीडाइज करेंगे, हम लोग इसमें ऐड करेंगे कंसंट्रेट नाइट्रिक एसिड, कंसंट्रेट नाइट्रिक एसिड। कंसंट्रेट नाइट्रिक एसिड क्या करेगा, it will oxidize, what it will do, it will oxidize the salt, okay, yes, it will oxidize the salt। अगर यहाँ पर Fe2 प्लस रहा होगा तो ये इसको चेंज कर देगा किसमें, Fe3 प्लस में, Fe3 प्लस में। okay, so this is your salt। okay, what you will do, you will add concentrate nitric acid to it, you will add concentrate nitric acid to it, okay, and after adding concentrate nitric acid, what you will do, you will heat it, you will heat it. We heat the solution, give it some time, you need to keep on stirring the test tube। एक जगह पर टेस्ट ट्यूब रोकोगे तो वो दिक्कत कर जाएगा। okay, yes, you can see it is now heated properly। so what you're going to do now is they're going to cool it off, इसको थोड़ा सा कूल करेंगे, ठीक है। तो कूल करने के लिए सिंपल है, धीरे से रनिंग वाटर के इसमें नीचे आप लगा देंगे इसको, यानी आपका कूल हो गया। yes, okay, now once the solution is cooled off, what you will do, you will add ammonium chloride to it, you will add ammonium chloride to it, okay, you will add ammonium chloride to it, just a part of it, okay। So we have added ammonium chloride to the solution। Now what you will do is you will add ammonium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, okay, sorry, हो जाता है, one has to be careful with the particles, okay। So what we will do, we will add ammonium hydroxide to it drop by drop, okay, these fumes are due to, yes, reaction between HNO3 and NH4OH, okay। You have to keep on adding ammonium hydroxide, now remember you have to add ammonium hydroxide in excess, Okay. What you can do, you can just put the test tube there and add slowly ammonium hydroxide into the solution. Yes, you can see there's a formation of brown color PPT. As we all can see, there's a formation of brown color PPT. This brown color PPT indicates the formation of ferric hydroxide, which shows that the given salt contains Fe3 plus ion. Which ion? Fe3 plus ion. Okay. You can add more ammonium hydroxide. It needs to be added in excess. Yes, you can see the brown PPT. You can see the brown PPT. Okay, so this PPT indicates the presence of Fe3 plus ion. Fe3 plus ion. Now, what you have to do, you have to take out the PPT. How you will take out the PPT? You will filter it. Take the filter paper. And many of you don't know how to fit a filter paper in the funnel. So you have to give it a shape like of a funnel. सबसे पहले fold it in half. Fold it in second half. It will be like this in the form of a quadrant. Open it and you can see a cone. फिर क्या करेंगे? इसको इस funnel में fit कर देंगे. Clear? And you will take another test tube and you are going to transfer the content in it. Okay, so we have transferred the content. It will take time. The PPT have settled वहाँ पर नीचे. So yes, you will leave it for some time. Once it gets filtered, जब ये फिल्टर हो रहा होगा तब आप दो सॉल्यूशन बना सकते हैं. एक पोटाशियम थायोसाइनेट एंड दूसरा सॉल्यूशन आप बना सकते हैं यहाँ पर पोटाशियम फेरोसाइनाइड का. तो तब तक हम सॉल्यूशन बना लेते हैं जब तक ये फिल्टर हो रहा है. ये सब सॉल्यूशन आपके पास कॉमन डेस्क पे अवेलेबल होंगे आपकी लैब में. Let's take a small part of it. Dissolve it in water. The solution is ready. Okay. The solution is ready. Now in the meantime, हमारे पास जो PPT है वो भी आ चुका है. तो what you are going to do? You are going to take the PPT. We are going to take the PPT and transfer it in the test tube. Yeah, I have taken a bit of solution also. It's not a problem. Okay. So what you're going to do now is to add some dilute HCl in the solution. Add some dilute HCl in the solution. Yes. ये जो solution आया है इसमें short Fe3 plus आयन है, इसलिए we are going to have two tests. Fe3 plus के हमारे पास में दो टेस्ट हैं. एक, we are going to add the potassium ferrocyanide जो solution just हमने अभी prepare किया है. Okay, where is the test tube? Yeah, here it is. So इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We will add potassium ferrocyanide. We will add potassium ferrocyanide. Take the solution. Add a drop of it. Add a drop of it in the solution. Okay. With just one drop, you can see the beautiful Prussian blue color. Okay. It just with the one drop, you can see the color. I hope the color is visible to all of you now. It's a Prussian blue color. You can dilute it more. You can dilute it and then you can see the color. Yeah. Clear? This Prussian blue color indicates the presence of Fe3 plus ion. Now what you will do, you can just confirm it once more with another solution, which is potassium thiocyanate. Potassium thiocyanate. Now we'll see this. दो कलर आते हैं हमारे पास में केमिस्ट्री में, एक Prussian blue color and the second one will be, just pay attention to it. Yeah, you can see when you will add it more to the intensity will increase. It's a blood red coloration. क्या है? Blood red coloration. एक हमारे पास है Prussian blue and दूसरा है blood red coloration. Yeah. So these are the two tests for Fe3 plus. लिखेंगे कैसे हम लोग? सबसे पहले salt plus NaOH and heat. Fumes या colorless gas evolved. Group 0 maybe. Then what we have done, add Nessler's reagent. Remember the formula K2HgI4. No brown PPT. No brown PPT. So group 0 absent. Then इसके बाद क्या किया हमने? We have taken salt, dilute HCl, no white PPT, group 1 absent. Clear? Next, pass H2S gas to the above solution. No PPT obtained again, which means group 2 absent. 0, 1, 2 हमने देखा, तीनों क्या आ रहे हैं? Absent. Then what we have done, we have taken salt plus concentrate nitric acid, and what you have done, boil and cool. Clear? After cooling, what we have done, add NH4Cl and excess of NH4OH. So what we have observed is reddish brown PPT that shows group 3 present. Clear? Next is PPT dissolved in dilute HCl is divided into two parts. डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने क्या किया, दिस इज इधर फर्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव एडेड पोटेशियम thiocyanate, so it has given blood red coloration. In the second part we have added K4FeCN6, K4FeCN6, Prussian blue color. Prussian blue color. These two reactions confirm the presence of Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus confirm. So यहां पर पूछा जा सकता है क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द नीड ऑफ एडिंग कंसंट्रेटेड HNO3? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन यही है यहां पर। तो नीड क्या था, Fe2 प्लस को ऑक्सीडाइज करना Fe3 प्लस में। एंड दो टेस्ट हमारे पास में आए हैं, बहुत स्पेसिफिक कलर है, एक प्रूशियन ब्लू और दूसरा ब्लड रेड कलरेशन। ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास था एनालिसिस ऑफ Fe3 प्लस आयन, Fe3 प्लस आयन। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट ग्रुप आएगा हमारे पास में, नेक्स्ट कैटायन आएगा, नेक्स्ट बेसिक रेडिकल आएगा, तो विल डिस्कस इट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ओके, थैंक यू।